Le linn hogu na Saoirse idir an Tíre agus rialtas na Breataine, tharla an Ard-Easpag Patrick Clune, slánnaí thorach a róil in Éireann ina idir gohalaí tábhachtaí. Breataine Lloyd George do Clune, gol heag Poblachtaigh Clare, lena eileach an gurthaid Shinn Féin fáilte ribh haintsina sos cogaí.
Dúirt Canary Shinn Féin má tá caintsní oscailte an, gun coníolach í leachaí síos, gachrú ar an mór, tá muid a sásta é dhéanana, agus is féidir linn sos cóiric a chur ar bun le linn na gainsní sin chun cuidiú leis. Bhí Clune an sásta leis an scéal sin agus thug sé an scéal sin arás go Lloyd George.
Trí scór bliain ina dhé sin, chur an tathair Alec Reid slánnaí thorach Éireannach eile, tús le tógra le Jeru a chur le cibhlint inar Mariú ceithre mhíle fanna Jeru. In ainneoin an Dr. Cachal Daly, Aspag an dún agus Conartha a bheith ag chur an éideann achta san IRA, thosaigh an tathair Reid ag caint le ceannara Shinn Féin, Hume-Adams.
Creid siad go láidir ins na caintina. Bhí siad den bharil go raibh siad dul a bheith an bailach amach as an foréigean go deo.
He was more than a go-between. He was able to articulate the views of people that others were not talking to.
The idea of the joint declaration, I mean, that was in Father Reid's papers back to 1990, which was a good one, you know, an agreed statement of principles.
The Taoiseach and I have now agreed on a joint declaration on Northern Ireland.
Lá an Canary Wharf for me gléach ó Alec agus bhí sé príomh-Aire. Híl sé go raibh an sos cogaí imethe inis. Couple of seach níos sin for me gléach ó Alec dúirt sé look tá mé géirí cidiú.
We said to be decommissioned and we had to start working out how it was going to happen, but it took years to do it, and of course Alex was central to that.
In summary, the Commission has determined that the IRA has met its commitment to put all its arms beyond use in a manner called for by the legislation.
You went to a place and you saw a whole range of weapons. You saw pistols, revolvers. You saw some heavier type of machinery. All these things, you know, unquestionably are gone.
O give you a guest gun tahar Alex. Na cohram na féinal on Síochána a bhaint amach. Don Poblachtaigh.